Short script, the benefits of rabbits. Opening scene, rabbits hopping in a meadow. Narrator, rabbits gentle, calm, and adorable, but they offer more than just cuteness. Let's discover their biggest benefits. 1. Companionship and comfort. Narrator, rabbits form strong bonds with people. Their calm presence helps reduce stress, anxiety, and loneliness. 2. Quiet and easy to care for. Narrator, they're silent pets that don't need huge spaces, perfect for apartments and peaceful homes. 3. Eco-friendly. Narrator, rabbits eat simple plant-based diets and produce minimal waste, making them very environmentally friendly. 4. Teaches responsibility. Narrator, feeding, grooming, and caring for a rabbit helps kids learn patience, empathy, and responsibility. 5. Great for gardens. Narrator, rabbit droppings are rich, natural fertilizer, safe to use directly in the garden. Closing scene. Narrator,